Hey guys, welcome back to Elan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Cash App deposit check not showing up. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering, how do you fix this issue here? Well, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go ahead and basically check your internet connection. Now, sometimes having a pretty slow internet connection can actually interfere with the services for Cash App. Now, in this case, if you're using your mobile data, switch over to a Wi-Fi connection, or if you're using a Wi-Fi connection, switch over to a mobile data and see if that solves the issue. Now, if you're sure that your internet connection is pretty fast or it's quite stable, then the next thing you want to do here is you want to ensure that you're using the latest version of the app. In this case, you want to go and open up Google Play Store here, search for Cash App, and if you do see an update button, go ahead and click on it and update the actual app. Now, in this case, if updating the app doesn't solve your issue, the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and clear your cache. Now, to clear your cache, press and hold on the Cash App here, click on App Info, click on Clear Data at the bottom right here, and click on Clear Cache, and OK. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and open up Cash App again and see if that solves the issue. And finally, if that still doesn't work, or in this case, you're still having some issues, well, the next thing you want to do here is to just basically wait. Now, sometimes there are going to be some issues with the servers for Cash App, meaning the issue is not with your app on your phone, it's more of the issue on their site. So you might need to wait for a few hours or a few minutes for them to actually resolve this, but in this case, just sit tight there and just wait for the issue to resolve itself. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Elan app. Thank you for watching.